What skills to learn to make money? Did you know that there is a very specific set of skills required to make money? Did you know that most millionaires and billionaires are self-made? Well, it's absolutely true, and you can learn how to be a millionaire or even a billionaire if you learn these skills too. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, all you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that. Yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that. Let's fix that.
I'm gonna share with you 3 easy skills that almost anyone can learn in one day and become rich. I'm gonna share with you the fastest way to start making $10,000 per month every month starting this month. And I'm gonna share with you the secret to earning more money and working less hours. Earning a lot of money is very easy. Most people just don't know the skills required to make a lot of money, therefore they don't. But making a lot of money does not require you to have a certain degree, to have a certain education, to go to a certain school, to be a certain race, age, gender, height, weight, or any of those things. I have met all types of millionaires and now even billionaires, and I can tell you they are all very different. They have very different personalities, they have very different races. Some people are immigrants, some people were born in the United States. They have so many differences about them. Some people are even introverted and make a whole lot of money. You do not have to be a social person or a person that wants to be on camera in order to make a lot of money. You, with your own personality, can make a lot of money. You just have to get a couple of skills that will get you to that next level. So let me share with you what those are. Having a lot of money is really all about your mindset, and having a lot of money can even take your mindset to the next level. Like once I became a multimillionaire, I realized easily that I could become a billionaire. But again, this all started from my parents' basement when I was broke, bankrupt with bad credit and no job and no money. When I was in that very terrible situation, I started to realize that I needed to change my financial situation, and my mentors and coaches taught me that I needed to change my mindset. I needed to start being more confident. Confidence is attractive. People love people that are confident, but that is something that you can develop. That is a skill set that you can acquire. You don't just come out of the womb as a big bad entrepreneur, multi-millionaire. You have to start telling yourself those things. You don't have to wait for someone to tell you them. Most of the time we think that we need our parents, our teachers, our mentors, and different people in our lives to encourage us and to support us and to give us confidence. But that's just not true. You can actually be confident, acquire that skill set, and then start earning money. I'm gonna tell you all the skill sets that are required to earn money, and it really is 3 simple ones. And it is 3 simple skill sets that you need to learn. You just have to start changing your mindset, and the first thing that you gotta realize that you need to change is how you think about money. If you start to realize that you can be a millionaire or a billionaire, you can be rich, you can make lots of money, that is the first step. You have to be confident enough to believe that about yourself. You can't wait for someone else to tell you those things. You can't wait for someone to crown you or develop you into what you want to be. You can develop your own self into a money-making machine. So let me tell you how you get that done. Becoming an entrepreneur is going to be one of the easiest skill sets that you can develop to become a multimillionaire or even a billionaire. Being an entrepreneur allows you to start businesses, meaning you own and start businesses. You can literally start your own business or you can buy businesses. However, you want to start having businesses because they bring in income and they generate lots of money for you. So when you start to think about what it is going to be required to be rich, you have to start becoming an entrepreneur, someone that can earn money on their own, not someone that has to rely on a job or rely on one specific client or one specific customer. You can have multiple clients, multiple customers, multiple streams of income, multiple businesses. You do not have to rely on some job, some salary, some wage in order to make money. You can make money from your own self, from your own mind, with your own skills, your talents, your gifts. We are all born with a gift. Mine is talking to a camera, doing real estate, flipping houses, and guess what? I make millions of dollars doing it. You can easily find what it is that you do well. And again, you don't have to do it better than this person or I'm the best at it. You just have to know that you're good at it. That's it. And have the confidence to say, I am good at this thing. I can make money with it. That is the first skill set. Like I said, it's confidence. Confidence in yourself, belief in yourself that you can do this and you don't need anybody else. The first lesson that you need to learn about making money in that first skill set is that you are enough. Starting a business is the ultimate personal development. Once you start a business, it will require you to realize that you have value. You can charge for your services. You can charge for your products. You can be paid to do the thing that you love. Just that shift in mindset alone will take you out of poverty, because most people that have poverty mindset are relying on a job. They work for someone else and they're requiring that person to pay them. And then when that person no longer pays them or that company lays them off, they don't have a way to make money. But if you are someone that is an entrepreneur, someone that has that skill set to make money off of your own skills and talent, you can take that anywhere. You don't rely on one thing to make you money. You use your own skills and your talents. Let's talk about that. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to start a real business, and a real business requires a real business checking account. I absolutely recommend North One Banking because you can get a business checking account in just minutes and you can do the whole thing online. As an entrepreneur, that is someone that owns a business. You'll probably need to get your LLC, EIN, website, and a few other things, but one of the things that you are going to need to take you to that next level and open up all different types of business funding is a business checking account. I recommend North One, and I have a North One account because I was able to get set up in just minutes and I can easily separate my business expenses from my personal expenses. Additionally, with my North One banking account, this is in my business's name, so I can show business checking account statements to different lenders that want to lend me money. There are thousands of lenders out there lending to businesses just like yours, even startup businesses, but the one thing that usually takes you to the next level is having a business checking account and business checking account statements. Get started right now with North One. Use the link below, and thank you to North One for sponsoring this video. Start businesses you love. Like I said, you are going to use your own skills and talent to start making money, and you are going to do this for the rest of your life. Realize that you do not have to work for anyone or any job ever again. You literally can become an entrepreneur, like I said, and make money off of your skills and talent. Trust me, I did not believe this at first. I was going to school and I was working a job and I was climbing the corporate ladder, and I never ever made $1 million working. Never, not in a year anyway. But today I make millions of dollars every single year because I started using my own skills and talents. So the first thing that you want to do is actually start a business. Get paid for the thing that you love. If you like doing videos or photography or makeup or hair or plumbing or electrician, whatever it is that you do well, you can create your own business doing it. Just think about it. If you work a job and someone else is paying you to do that, you can create an entire business doing just that thing. Literally, I started one of my first businesses processing mortgage loans because I worked at Bank of America as a mortgage processor. That was my first little side hustle that I did while having a job. Again, I knew I was very good at my job, so I knew that I could also have a business doing that. Then I took it to the next level. I started fixing and flipping houses, and then I started showing people my fix and flips. I made courses, programs, events, a podcast, books, YouTube channel, like affiliate income, sponsored videos. Like, I really could just go on and on and on about all of the different streams of income that I created just from the fact that I know how to flip houses. I know how to flip houses. I know how to buy and sell real estate. So guess what? I was able to create multiple businesses doing the thing that I love and turning that into money for me. Learning that you can turn your passion into profits is the #1 skill that you are going to need to make money. You actually set up a real business and then you start charging for your products and services. You are enough. You don't need some big celebrity, or you don't need a bunch of money to do it. You can just turn on your phone, your camera, and learn these things. In fact, I have an entire playlist here on YouTube where I teach you how to start a business. You literally can start a business in just one day in many states, and you can watch this entire playlist absolutely free. Just know that you can turn your passions into profits, and you can get paid for all of your talent. And you can get paid for all of your talents, no matter what they are. Like I said, I know people that make money selling crystals, selling rocks, giving advice on how to get divorced, how to get married, how to find the perfect mate, how to tie your shoes, how to potty train a dog. Like, I really could go on and on about all of the ways and all of the millionaires and billionaires that I have met that make money just off their talent. Rinse and repeat. Once you figured out how to make money with one skill or talent, you can easily create multiple streams of income from it. Like I quickly explained, you can have this talent. Maybe, for example, you like taking pictures. Well, that's one stream of income. You could take pictures for people. But guess what? You could also create a subscription plan where you charge people, where you take pictures for them every single month. And then you create a course where you teach people how to use certain cameras, how to use certain lights. Then you can create a business where you start hiring other photographers to work for you and sending them all out over the country doing jobs for you. Literally, once you have learned how to make money doing the one thing that you love, you can easily rinse and repeat, create multiple streams of income from that one talent, and create multiple businesses. Like I said, you can get business credit and business funds for almost any business, and you can do this over and over and over again. Every business will get, registered with the Secretary of State and get an EIN number. Well, guess what? You can use that EIN number for every single business and create a business credit profile and get business funding for your business in your business's name, again, using your talents, your skills, and your passion into profits. So if you are looking to start a business, know that you can do it and you can make lots of money. Go to north1.com and use the link below. I have a link that will save you money if you open up your business checking account today. Like I said, I absolutely love North One Banking. It has helped me and many of my students not only separate our business expenses from our personal expenses, help connect our merchant processing accounts like Stripe and Square and PayPal, but it's also helped us unlock hundreds of thousands of dollars in business funds. Yes, with your business checking account statements, you can actually get funding for your business. Use the link below and open up your North One business checking account today. You don't want to miss this offer because it will not last long. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.